Do you ever just lay your edges but they can't seem to lay in the right way, or the hold of the product is not enough for your fussy hair? Don't worry, I got you, girl. Come and let's learn how I achieved this, and trust me, you can stay with it all day without it lifting. So hi guys, bonjour, comment ça va? Ça va bien, merci, and I hope you had a wonderful evening, wonderful day from wherever you're watching me, and I love you so much. So I'm here for a very short, like I'm giving you the juice, I'm giving you the tea, so be ready. We are going to do a very easy hairstyle, plus I'm going to show you how you can achieve very long lasting edges. Trust me, you need to pay me something. So if you're a returning subscriber, you know my name. If you're new here, my name is Emma, and karibu sana to the family, karibu to the squad, and I love you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and let's get into the video. So at first I tried to put it in a low ponytail, but it didn't work for me. The shape of my head circle, it made my head look long. So I opted for the high ponytail, but I didn't let go of my hair, but you will just see what I did. Then this is why I'm telling you to listen girl, listen, because I'm about to spill some information and some knowledge. Go take a notebook and write down notes. You will need this in your journal. This is something to keep. It's a secret, by the way, something that I discovered myself. This you can't find it from anyone else, huh? Unasaitu unaenda unasombuka and your edges just can't seem to lay. Or if they lay, they can't lay the whole day because the product is not holding. So I came up with this recipe. I used waxing gel for locks, and I mixed it with normal styling gel. And guess what? Wax is about 300 bob, yes, and the gel is about 150 to 200 bob. And you can imagine that product, you will use it, I don't know for how long, like it will stay. So I used another container and mixed the two products there in equal ratios. Then after mixing until it was combined, pardon me, sikuwa na anything ya kumix, I mixed it with my makeup brush. And after it was ready, I went into business. So, first thing, if you don't have edges, first thing is make sure you separate a little bit of hair from the rest of the hair, not real hair. But don't overdo it, because we will know and we will laugh at you. Don't overdo it, just use a little bit. And if you're going in with a slicking, ensure that the full hair is already slicked before you start doing your edges. It saves you time, it saves you the energy, it saves you a lot. Afterwards, you can use a toothbrush or edge brush. Mimi hapa ni like I don't have that edge brush. I just used an old toothbrush. I don't think I ever used this toothbrush. And you can see what I'm doing, product on my hair, then combine it with my brush. So according to your preferred edge look, Mimi, I just like a very simple. I'm not a very extravagant girl with edges, so I just curve my hair, then hold it with the other hand, with the one with no brush. Then afterwards, I just ensure that my edges are slicked in with the rest of the hair, and that's it. Imagine. And I've already spilled the tea. I've already taught you something new. You better give me a subscribe right now. Wow. So finally, to give my edges a crisp look, I went in with a rattle comb to make sure they were like smooth azikolide huko ndani, and also to define mali napitia, to define those lines. I don't know how to describe them, but you can see what I'm saying. Yes, and I was done. Imagine, that's it. Then I did the same thing to the other side, and let's see how I did. So after I was done, I removed my hair tie and redid again that part, that ponytail, to make it a little bit snatched. And this is where I was telling you that I did not leave my hair out. I put it in a small bun, not something complex, something very easy. You can see I didn't like remove it all the way out. So the final step to crisp edges and laid hair is letting your hair bake. Yes, I said bake. Just use a silk scarf or durag or those wraps that they use for wigs, and they all give the same results. Then you give it a little bit of time until your hair is dry. This helps your hair dry when it is flat, because if you have 4C, once it touches gel or something with moisture, it puffs up. Now it came for the time to remove it, and I told you I was feeling nice, I was feeling confident with my hair, and I knew the edges would give because I've tried this a million times. Now I was feeling like those durag boys, those ones that are ready to reveal the waves, as you can see in that video.
Man, I'm ready. Man, I'm ready.
So in 3, 2, and 1, drum rolls. Ta-da! Look at that. I was happy. It was laid, dried, everything nice. Wow. And that's it, guys. If you benefited from this video, kindly give me a subscribe and also a like. You guys just watch and don't give me likes or even comments. You don't ask me questions, and also I place everything I used in the video in the description box. So if you want anything, details of the video, ziko kwa description box. So without further ado, I would like to say goodbye, and let's see each other next time, same place kama kawaida, as I'm here to spill some knowledge or some sauce or some good vibes. See you guys next time. Bye bye. I love you. Mwah.